I built a fully working affiliate funnel in under 60 minutes, and I haven't touched it since, but it's still making commissions. No coding, no tech headaches, no staying up until midnight trying to figure out some clunky page builder. I used Smart Affiliate Revolution to set the whole thing up with AI doing the heavy lifting. The emails, written. The content, done. The traffic strategy, running on autopilot. Here's what nobody tells you about affiliate marketing. It's not the strategy that kills you. It's the grunt work, the endless writing, tweaking, and guessing. That stuff, it's hours you don't have. This system lets AI handle 80% of it. You focus on the decisions that actually matter. And if you only have 60 minutes a day, that's genuinely enough. I'm not a tech person. I had zero experience building funnels before this. But within one afternoon, I had something live, running, and converting. If you're tired of spinning your wheels, this is the shortcut that actually works. Click the link below and get started today.